Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a question using CAS diagram. The first question is solve sin x equal 0.5. We need to find the potential answers for x that is between 0 degree and 360 that satisfy this equation. And the question is sin x can take any value between 0 and 360, but since this answer is positive, we can able to eliminate some of the x values, right, using the CAS diagram here. If you look at the CAS diagram, all of them are positive. So sin is positive here. Our angle or x could be between 0 and 90 degree. And sin is positive here and 0.5 is positive in our question. So our answer can lie in this domain as well. But if you look at the third quadrant, here only tan is positive. So we are sure that our solution won't lie in this quadrant. And similarly, in the final quadrant, only cos values are positive. Therefore, we won't get answer in the fourth quadrant. So we are going to have our answer is going to be here. So x could be this one. And we are going to have answer in this quadrant as well. And so this is the first answer, x1. Right. So how to find the x1? We can use a calculator to find sine inverse 0.5. If you use a calculator, shift plus sine, that will give you sine inverse formula. And if you enter 0.5, that will give you 30 degree if your calculator is in degree mode. So sine inverse 0.5 is 30 degree. So x1 equal to 30. So we found the first solution. Now what we can do, according to CAS diagram, this value would also be positive and this would be 30. However, we are looking for values from anti-clockwise direction, from starting from this axis. Okay, so this value would be 180 minus x1, which is 150. So there are two solutions to this question, which are 30 degree and 150 degree. Thank you. Please move on to next video.